Technology achieves dreams. Intelligent manufacturing leads the future. Jiaou, creating numerical precision machining equipment for countless exquisite products, bringing more possibilities to future smart life. Deeply engaged in CNC equipment manufacturing industry for nearly 20 years, Jiaou, what has been changing is the ever-expanding scale. What remains still is the commitment to innovation and the belief of creating fine products. With precision and rigor as the foundation, Jiaou has been providing products and services to numerous regions at home and abroad, gaining the trust and praise of customers all over the world. Jiaou knows that the precision of processing is the first priority of CNC machine tools. Equipped with domestic and foreign advanced equipment, such as milling machines, lathes, grinding machines, and CNC centers, structurally optimizing and innovating the processing technology, strictly following every process specification, achieving exquisite machine tools with precision equipment. Jiaou Machine Tools possesses functions of high speed, precision, intelligence, composite, and multi-axis linkage, easily dealing with complex, precise multiple workpiece processing. Here, step into a new era of global CNC machine tool equipment. Implement the quality policy of quality first, continuous improvement. Jiaou ensures the excellent quality of customer machining products and considers it as our own responsibility. Integrate craftsmanship and responsibility into every processing process, making every Jiaou CNC machine tool synonymous with quality. Exquisite craftsmanship is infused into the creation of fine products, as well as the rigorous execution of quality inspection. The finished equipment undergoes repeated debugging, with every data indicator meticulously verified. Through practical actions, the company makes its quality objectives resoundingly evident. For over a decade, Jiaou has been upholding the service philosophy of customer centricity, providing the best service to customers, responding to customer feedback in a timely manner, on-site service within 12 hours for the service point area, within 48 hours for other domestic regions, treating customer needs as our own, providing high-quality after-sales service. For more than 10 years, focusing, innovating, Jiaou designs precision CNC machine tools, such as gang type, turret type, mill turn compound type. Obtained several patents of invention just for creating a bright and intelligent future. Jiaou CNC machine tool. We don't just produce products. We are the cornerstone of quality products.